when are you starting class 11? Class 11 concepts are so difficult compared to class 10. I really need help. Huh? The class 11 syllabus is much bigger. How will I complete it? Yes, we heard you. Hi friends, I have some super exciting news regarding class 11 and a New Year's surprise gift to share with all of you in this video. But first, wishing you and your family a very happy New Year from the entire Manocha Academy team. Thank you students and parents for all your love and support. We are here just because of you. And to make this New Year even more special for you, we are extending our Christmas sale into the New Year, where you're going to get all our courses at a flat 80% discount. That's right, 80% off on all our courses. So do check out our website manochaacademy.com and our app to get this special New Year offer. Hurry, because this New Year sale is valid only for 5 days. So check out the links given below. And now for the class 11 news. We have received so many comments, messages, emails and calls from students and parents asking for class 11 videos and courses. So I'm super excited to announce that we are launching class 11 courses for the 2024-25 batch. Now what subjects will you get? We have courses on physics, chemistry, biology, mathematics and computers. These courses will help you get your concepts crystal clear and prepare you for your board exams and competitive exams. In these courses, you'll get detailed videos and live classes covering all the topics. In the live classes, we will teach you the concepts, practice questions and help you clear your doubts. You will also get access to a lot of quizzes, questions, mock tests and revision notes. The class 11 courses are for all the students going into class 11, that is the 2024-25 batch. And the live classes will be starting in April this year. We have a special early bird offer for all the students who are registering early for our class 11 courses. So hurry, because this early bird offer will last only for 5 days. So guys, do check out the class 11 courses on our website manochaacademy.com and our Android app. To make it easy, I'll put the links below. So don't miss out this early bird offer on our class 11 courses. So friends, reminding you that all the class 8, 9 and 10 courses on our website and app are on a special 80% discount. Remember, this New Year's sale is valid only for 5 days. We have courses on physics, chemistry, biology, maths, coding and artificial intelligence. In our courses, you're going to get concept videos, live classes, quizzes, mock tests and revision notes. So these courses will help you clear your concepts and your doubts and help you prepare for your exams. And the best part is that our website works on all devices, whether it's a phone, tablet and laptops. So guys, what are you waiting for? Do check out these courses and our new class 11 courses. I'll put the links below. So guys, do share out this video with your friends and make sure you have subscribed to our YouTube channel. So stay connected with Manocha Academy and just keep learning.